On August 15, 1977, a mysterious wow signal had briefly blared through a radio telescope that lasted for 72 seconds. Now, almost half a century later, researchers may have discovered the source of the alleged alien broadcast. A study recently published indicates that the signal likely came from a Sun-like star located 1800 light-years away from the Earth, in the constellation Sagittarius. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, which has been looking for intelligent life forms in the universe, is still studying the signal. Scientist Alberto Caballero said that he had found specifically one Sun-like star, and mentioned that the object was 1800 light-years away. A report in the American Astronomical Society stated that researchers have regularly searched for follow-ups originating from the same location, but they have come up empty-handed. Caballero added that WOW signal was most likely caused by a natural event rather than aliens. However, astronomers have ruled out a few possibilities such as a passing comet,